arrest now, too.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am. No, you're done too.
Right
Let's
now?
go.
What the fuck? What are you doing right now, sir? Please stop. I swear to God, please stop.
Can you let me show you my ID?
Please stop.
I'm telling you right now, you are under arrest also.
On March 16th, 2024, a beach enforcement contact escalated into multiple arrests, raising critical questions about use of force, resistance, and equal protection under law.
You have to wear a license. You have to wear it for your permit.
She's getting her ID, man. Sure I can. Come on. Here, let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Are you serious?
Come on.
Can I just get my ID?
Come on. I'm not.
Excuse me.
Don't resist. Don't resist. For real. For real. For real. Here, leg up. Leg up. Leg up.
Can I just get my ID?
Serious? You can't give the girl a few minutes to get her ID, dude? No, he's not having it. Don't grab the purse.
Yeah, I'm grabbing her because it was in her possession at the time that I took her
if it was, then why don't you let you give her the purse?
Step off. Step off. Step off.
Nothing better to do.
Nope.
Why?
Step off.
Don't push her.
Step off.
Wait, but where's the...
Come on, let's go.
Can you...
Come on. Excuse me.
Just don't.
You're under arrest now, too.
Are you serious?
Yes, I am. No, you're done too.
Right
Let's
now?
go.
What the fuck? What are you doing right now, sir? Please stop. I swear to God, please stop.
Can you let me show you my ID?
Please stop.
I'm telling you right now, you are under arrest also.
Stop. Please stop. I swear to God. Please stop. I promise you, I'm not doing anything wrong.
Climb up.
I'm right here, girls. I'm right here with you.
Climb up.
I promise you, I'm not doing anything.
Stop. Why you gotta be like this?
Do not
Stop.
Stop fighting and stop fighting.
Stop.
Please stop.
You're acting
Hey,
weird.
stop
Go.
My job is here.
I don't care. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up.
Female officer, right now. Female officer, right now.
Okay.
Right now.
Sure.
Right now.
All the way over.
Right now.
Yep.
Right now.
You've been doing too much, dude.
Right now, dude. What is wrong
Go.
with you?
Step up.
It's okay.
Step up.
Ladies, I'm with you. Ladies, I stand with you.
Step up.
Go up. Maggie, go up. Maggie, just go. Maggie, go.
Come on, man.
Maggie, go.
Don't touch her. Don't
We
fucking
want a
touch
female
her.
officer right now.
Don't fucking touch her.
A female officer right now.
Are you serious?
Just stay up
Go
there. Stay
up.
up there. Stay up there.
Go
Just
up.
stay. Baby girl, just stay.
Go
A
up.
female officer right
Go
now.
up.
Right now. Don't touch
Go
her.
up.
No,
Call
female
right now. I want
officer.
All the way over.
Listen,
All the way over. All the way over.
Call your captain, bro.
I'm a woman. I'm a woman.
All the way back to the boat.
Bro.
All the way to the back of the boat.
You guys just on tape, right?
I don't even know what happened.
Right now, dude.
Sit.
No, call him.
We want a
away.
female officer.
Okay. Why? Why?
We want a female
Go sit back down.
We want a female
Go sit back
officer.
down.
We
Call
want
the
a
captain right now, bro.
We want a female officer here now.
Sit down.
Female officer right now.
This is again. This is again. We don't do anything. We don't follow instructions. We don't do what we're supposed to do. And lo and behold, here we are arrested again.
I understand what you're saying, but the videos, I never fed anybody under the age of 21 years old a drink.
Actually, you did.
No,
But that's
I did
okay.
not.
I'm going to take this off your head real quick.
I'm not getting involved. Right now, I just need you to sit on the floor. That way we can get back safely.
534. They have 2 parking problems, Stewart Beach. 10-4, 534, that was parking problem, Stewart Beach.
Hat back on for you.
Okay, thank you.
It's the only way it's going to make it back with you. So
Well, hold it. Thank you.
It's okay, just start over. Just throw it out. It's fine. It doesn't matter.
Is it going to stay on my head? No.
Yeah. I'm not going to go very fast.
Okay.
15, 5.
Okay, all the way down like your mom, please.
It's not my mom.
Okay, all the way down, please.
Your mom, I'm that old. I look that old.
You're the one who told me that you were her mom.
No, I'm not her mom. That's my children are out there.
Okay.
My 6-year-old's out there.
I'll get a car. All
My mom?
right. They're mad. They're mad. Okay.
Well, yeah, they're gonna. Yeah, I wouldn't go over there.
I'll get a supervisor.
Yeah, I wouldn't go over there.
They're not gonna argue with him.
No.
I just wanted to know what happened. I was being stupid.
Need help? Can you do it on your own?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Got it? Okay, I'm gonna take the cuffs off you, so I'm gonna take this off with you, and then I'm gonna put them right back on.
What's happening?
Corporals? Corporal?
Good for the jacket to come off?
Yes, that's what I'm taking. You gotta take the cuff off first. Pop the jacket.
Alright, we're gonna transfer you onto...
Wait, so take your cup off now?
Open out first. Try it this way. Ladies, these two gentlemen are here to escort you only. They have no vested interest in this case. It's me who does, alright? Don't give them a hard time.
Leave that one on.
Thank you. Fix my booty. I feel like my boob is showing. So embarrassing. So much to fucking lose.
I'm just here. We're gonna go down to these cars.
How come they're not getting arrested? That's what basically I did.
I don't know what happened again. We're gonna come on this
I'm
one.
so sorry. Literally like in the middle of adopting a child.
Listen.
You have no idea how to fucking traumatize you, nurse. Like, you have no idea. He's so mean. Like, what is he doing
I don't
right
know
now?
what happened. Okay, hop in. Here, I'll help you. I'll turn the AC up for you guys.
The legal foundation begins with the Fourth Amendment. Officers observed suspected underage drinking, a violation in all 50 states. This observation constitutes probable cause for detention and potential arrest. Under Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, decided in 2001, officers possess authority to arrest for any offense committed in their presence, even minor misdemeanors typically resolved by citation. When the subject requests to retrieve identification, this is reasonable. However, once the officer begins physical detention, the legal obligation shifts. The subject must comply first, contest later. Physical resistance begins immediately. Here's the critical legal principle. You cannot lawfully resist arrest, even if that arrest is later determined unlawful. The remedy exists in court, not on the street. The officer's use of force must be analyzed under Graham versus Connor from 1989. This Supreme Court case established the objective reasonableness standard, judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of action. Graham identifies 4 factors: severity of the crime, immediate threat to safety, active resistance, and attempted evasion. All 4 factors are present here, supporting the officer's use of empty hand control techniques. The force continuum places this at level 3 to 4, empty hand control. Not excessive for actively resisting subjects, but the tactical context matters significantly. When the male subject approaches and interferes, he commits obstruction of justice. Most states criminalize knowingly impeding a lawful arrest. His concern doesn't create legal authority to intervene physically. The officer now faces a critical tactical failure, attempting to control 2 resisting subjects simultaneously in a hostile crowd without backup. This violates basic officer safety protocols. The crowd demands a female officer. While many departments prefer same-gender searches when practical, there is no constitutional requirement for gender matching during arrests, particularly during active resistance. Pennsylvania versus Mims, decided 1977, established that officers may give lawful commands during valid stops. Commands to stop resisting and move toward vehicles are legally enforceable. The officer's statement, "arrested again," suggests prior contacts. This is relevant to discretionary decisions. Officers may arrest repeat offenders where first-time violators might receive citations. Probable cause is confirmed. Subjects under 21 consumed alcohol. This is universally illegal. The officer's authority to arrest is unquestionable from a Fourth Amendment perspective. As resistance decreases, the officer de-escalates appropriately. He returns personal items, shows consideration for comfort during transport. Force ceased when compliance was achieved, exactly as Graham requires. The equal protection question emerges. How come they're not getting arrested? The 14th Amendment requires equal application of law, but officers maintain enforcement discretion. Discretion based on legitimate factors, prior warnings, severity of violation, available resources, is constitutional. Discretion based on arbitrary factors like race or appearance is not. Without evidence of who else was present and what enforcement occurred, we cannot definitively assess selective enforcement. The question is legitimate, but context is missing. Let's evaluate each party's conduct against legal and tactical standards. The arresting officer receives grade B-. Legally, his actions withstand constitutional scrutiny. Probable cause existed, force was objectively reasonable under Graham, and arrest authority was clear. However, tactical execution was poor. Effecting custodial arrest without backup in a crowded, hostile environment created unnecessary risk. Attempting dual arrests simultaneously compounded this error. Better communication about the violation and consequences might have prevented escalation. Waiting for backup before arrest would have been tactically sound while remaining legally defensible. The primary female subject receives grade D. Her initial request for identification was reasonable, but her sustained physical resistance was unlawful in every jurisdiction. Verbal pleas, while physically resisting, demonstrate misunderstanding of legal compliance. The law requires physical submission to lawful authority, regardless of perceived injustice. Her resistance created legal basis for additional charges beyond the original violation. She escalated a cite and release situation into a custodial arrest with potential resisting charges. The male bystander receives grade D-. His physical interference was unambiguously criminal. Obstruction statutes exist in all states to prevent exactly this conduct. His actions created danger for the officer, the female subject he intended to help, and the surrounding crowd. Well-intentioned interference remains illegal interference. His equal protection question was legally relevant, but asked at the wrong time and manner. Proper channels include supervisory complaints, legal counsel, and civil rights litigation. not street confrontation. Now, critical lessons from this encounter for all parties. For law enforcement, tactical patience prevents escalation. Wait for backup when facing resistance in crowds. 1 additional minute for adequate resources prevents 10 minutes of dangerous struggle. Clear communication matters. Articulate the violation. Explain why arrest rather than citation. State consequences of resistance. Transparency reduces confusion and potential escalation. For citizens, physical compliance is mandatory regardless of your belief about the arrest's legitimacy. Every state recognizes no right to resist. Your remedy exists exclusively in legal proceedings, not physical confrontation. Recording police activity is constitutionally protected, but physical interference is criminal. Observe, document, provide contact information as witness, but do not physically intervene in arrests. Questions about selective enforcement are legitimate and deserve answers. Direct them to supervisors, file formal complaints, consult attorneys, pursue civil remedies. Street arguments accomplish nothing productive. For everyone, understanding the distinction between legal authority and tactical wisdom is critical. An action can be legally justified while remaining tactically questionable. Both standards matter. De-escalation is a shared responsibility. Officers should prioritize it when safe. Citizens should recognize that compliance enables de-escalation. Both parties control the outcome. Let us know what interactions or legal topics you'd like analyzed in the comments below. Thank you for watching.